So I thought of a few other interesting questions to ask the ChatGPT. So let's see what it's going to tell us here. What do you think of yourself? And I wanted to mention, while we're waiting for the results here, that if you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account right now. I don't know how long it will be free, but you should sign up for an account so you can start asking it questions and getting some interesting results about different topics. So let's see here. What does it say? As an artificial intelligence, I don't have feelings or personal opinions. I was designed to assist users with tasks and answer questions to the best of my ability, based on the information I've been trained on. My primary goal is to be helpful and provide accurate and useful information to the best of my ability. Well, okay. And let's see. Let's ask it, what do you think of human beings? So it's taking a few seconds to answer the question. And it's looking like it's giving us the same kind of information about humans as it said about artificial intelligence. Let's see what it thinks about taking over programmers' jobs. Will you take over programmers' jobs in the future? So it's taking a few seconds here. Let's see what it's going to tell us. So it says it is possible that artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies may be able to automate certain tasks that are currently performed by programmers. However, it is unlikely that artificial intelligence will be able to completely replace the role of programmers in the near future. Programming involves a wide range of skills and responsibilities, which is true, including problem solving, critical thinking, the ability to adapt to new technologies and changing requirements. These skills are difficult to automate, and it is unlikely that AI will be able to fully replicate the creativity and problem-solving ability of human programmers. In addition, there will likely always be a need for programmers to design, develop, and maintain the software and systems that enable AI and machine learning technologies to function. As such, it is likely that programmers will continue to play a vital role in the development and deployment of AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning technologies. So I think that's a great answer, and I think it matches what I think about these technologies. I believe that as programmers and developers, and just people in general who are interested in AI, should be interacting with it and asking it questions and reviewing the information it gives. And if you're a developer, to test the code and make sure that it works as you would expect before like using it or deploying it into a like test server, staging, or even production. So I think that's a accurate answer, and just wanted to see what it had to say about that. Let's see if it has a preference. Does ChatGPT have a preference of programming languages? So it's taking a few seconds here. Let's wait for the results. Ah, yes, it doesn't have personal preferences. So, it looks like kind of a generic answer, but maybe expected. Well, let's ask it a little bit more specific question. Which programming language, oh, sorry, I misspelled that. Programming language is best suited for creating business applications. Okay, let's see what it says about that. Will it talk about Microsoft, open source, Java, C#? Ah, there it goes, Java. C#, huh? Funny. Okay. Some programming languages that are commonly used for building business applications include Java, very popular language, C#, of course, been around for a long time, very popular, Python, which I also believe is one of the most popular, if not the most popular programming language, and C++. And Visual Basic. Hey, Visual Basic made it on the list. Isn't that interesting? Well, let's ask it, what programming language is best suited for creating web APIs? See if it gives us any different answer for that. Like maybe JavaScript, Express, things like that. So it's taking a few seconds here, thinking, calculating. What is it going to tell us? Okay, it took a few seconds and I had to actually open a new window here, but now it's providing an answer. So it says there are several programming languages that are well suited for creating web APIs. I had mentioned JavaScript, looks like that's number one on the list. Python, Java, C#. So kind of like the same thing we got for business applications. So that's interesting. So here I asked it what programming language is best suited for creating the most scalable web API. And what's it telling us here? Looks like Java and C# are often used for building scalable web applications because they're designed to handle large amounts of traffic and can easily support multi-threading. And Python is another popular language for building scalable web APIs thanks to its simplicity and availability of powerful libraries and frameworks. Well, and I think one last question. Let's see what it says about this. Is ChatGPT superior to the human intellect? And it's taking a few seconds. Ah, yes. It says it's not capable of experiencing or understanding concepts such as superiority or human intellect. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that has been trained on a large data set of human-generated text and is able to generate human-like responses to prompts. So there you go. And it goes on to say, while ChatGPT may be able to generate responses that are similar to those a human might give in certain situations, it's not capable of independently generating new ideas or understanding abstract concepts. It is simply a tool that can be used to generate text based on patterns it has learned from the data that it's been trained on. So I think that's an interesting and I think accurate answer. Well, I think that's enough for this video. I just want to ask it some other questions and kind of share the results here on YouTube, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you like this channel, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new content.